Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Friday, June the 8th, and Beach Road is closed. So what's going on? Let's go down and find out. It's a biggie. Get somewhere a little bit quieter as well. See you further down. What's going on?
This is like a flashback. This is like a dream. This is...
Got me monopod. I don't want to miss anything tonight for you. It's the Pattaya 2018 Firework Festival. Last year they cancelled it. It's held every year since 2007, and last year was cancelled because of the late King's passing. And this year, well, it's June. So what's the difference? Before it was in November, and it's also to celebrate the King's birthday. This year now it's June, and the new King Rama X, his birthday is in July. So nothing's been said, nothing's been confirmed, but maybe every year now it will be in June, the month before the King's birthday, the new King. What we have also, to me, maybe to you, just to half of you know, every year is 4 countries competing. It's a competition for the best firework display. And this year's entrants are Italy, Sweden, Brazil, and the United Kingdom. UK's in it this year, so we're here, give them a bit of support and to show you the displays. The first display on is Italy versus Brazil. So I'll see you when it starts. This is Brazil. Wow! This is Italy. Italy wants more room. Italy's all over the place. They're up there, they're down here. This is Sweden up now. I think Sweden might have won this. This is the UK, United Kingdom display. I hope it's a bit more than that. Well, the UK may have pulled it off at the end. That was one hell of a finish. So that's it, the Pattaya Firework Festival every year. Normally 4 countries competing against each other for the trophy. It runs for 2 days and it used to be in November to celebrate the King's birthday, starting off, whose birthday was in December. The new King, Rama 10, his birthday is July, so it looks like they brought it to June for the start of Rama 10's birthday celebrations. I don't, I'm only surmising. I surmise a lot, I surmise too much. Anyway, I do hope you liked it. It was cracking. I've seen it all through a 3-inch screen, thank you very much, but still enjoyed it immensely. So if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, a like and a share. Subscribe, it would be nice, you haven't got to. Now go on please. And we'll see you soon. Alright?
Recognise that boy.
Photo bombed, how are you?
I've seen some of your vlogs anyway.
He's seen some of my videos and he's kicking me now. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll say good night and God bless. Bye bye.